Women's T20 World Cup 2026 Final Match England Women vs Australia Women. Match detail and teams. Final playing 11. Match details. Final match date 5th July 2026. Timing 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Venue at London International Cricket Stadium. Australia Women team playing 11. First, Georgia Wall. Second, Beth Mooney, wicketkeeper. Third, Alice Perry. Fourth, Bobby Litchfield. Fifth, Ashley Gardner. Sixth, Georgia Wareham. Seventh, Annabelle Sutherland. 8. Sophie Molex, captain. 9th, Nicola Carey. 10th, Kim Garth. And 11th, Megan Scott. England women team final playing 11. First, Danny Watt. Second, Amy Jones, wicketkeeper. Third, Nate Silverbrand, captain. Fourth, Alice Capsey. Fifth, Heather Knight. Sixth, Priya Kemp. Seventh, Danny Gibson. 8. Charlie Dean. 9th, Sophie Ecclestone. 10th, Lindsay Smith. And 11th, Laurel Bell. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. धन्यवाद.